In this video, we'll demonstrate the internal repository editor for the XtraGrid. Repository editors allow you to make changes to data for edit controls in a control container in one location. Then you can associate those repository edit controls with the edit controls in the container. And those edit controls will automatically get the property settings from the repository. This permits you to make property settings in one location and associate all those property settings with all edit controls of that type. So let's take a look at how to do this. From the toolbox, I drag an XtraGrid control onto the form and dock it to fill the entire form. Click on the Grid Smart tag to configure a data source. In the Configuration Wizard, choose Database and click Next. We'll select the Northwind database to connect to and click Next. Expand the Tables node and we'll choose the Orders table. Click Finish to complete the wizard. Next, we'll run the Grids Designer and click on the Repository tab. We'll want to choose In Place Editor Repository. Click the drop-down here and you'll see a wide variety of edit controls to choose from. For this video, we'll select the Date Edit control. Next, we'll adjust the color of the control by selecting the Appearance property and setting the back color to red. Any date edit control in edit mode in the XtraGrid associated with this repository editor will automatically adopt the property settings of the repository edit control. Now, click on the Main tab and select the Columns editor. And for each of the dates, we'll set the column edit type. This associates that column's editor with an editor repository item. So for this video, we'll select Repository Item Date Edit, and we'll repeat this step for the both required and ship date columns. We're done with column customization, so we'll close the designer and run the application to see the result. And you can see when we click on the date controls, we have our date edit controls using the red setting from our repository edit control. So if a customer wants changes in the future, they can be made quickly in the one location affecting all controls associated with the repository editor. For further documentation on the XtraGrid, please click on the link below. Thanks for watching, and as always, thank you for choosing DevExpress.